Alright folks, welcome to a very important video. And in this lecture we're going to talk about daily ranges in a short form content. Now as you guys know, you never want to buy high, you never want to sell low, you never want to buy in premium, you never want to sell in discount. You always want to sell in premium and always want to buy in discount. Now this is the before math of the move, which I was anticipating for the market to go down to the discount before anything happens, especially down to this low, possibly. Now, as you guys know, how does a daily range get created? A daily range gets created after a low and a high gets souped, and the market makes a stable low and a stable high. A low got souped, and a stable low. High got souped, and a stable high. So right after the high gets met, you never want to buy high. You never want to buy low. You never want to sell low. Excuse me on that. So ever since then, you want to short down. This is gonna be considered like an easy trade. You want to short down to the discount or equilibrium, the people call it, or you want to short down to the premium if you're in discount. Then you get out, then you can decide whether the market wants to run through that daily range high or daily range low. Now I just told you guys how daily range is created. I told you guys the importance and how you can trade it. But after the premium says discount gets tapped, depending on the market condition, depending on the market movement structure, where you want to go in a higher time frame, it will usually go to the daily range high and daily range low, or daily range low, right? Excuse me on that. You go to one of those targets and meet those targets, and you will have basically after the discount, you will have your target as a daily range high. So that's what happens inside a daily range, and it's a quick little lecture. Now let me show you guys the aftermath of this, right? This was the aftermath. You can see a huge dip down to the discount. Now it looked pretty clear. Now don't. This may seem very easy to most of you guys, but it's very difficult, right? Because he obviously looked like he was going to go up higher, right? Because there's a daily fair value gap, a clear wick below equals higher prices, and we also had a order block to clearly push it up higher, but it still stumbled to the downside at the key level. The order block got SMT'd on, but it still came down lower and it never went up higher. Although there was a huge wick that was literally gonna say it's gonna go up higher, it failed because of daily ranges. Now, the best time frame to look for daily ranges are always going to be on a daily time frame and above. Now, I primarily look for mine on a daily time frame because that's the time frame where it's most trustworthy, and that's a time frame when it creates the most. On a weekly time frame, I don't really care because I'm not a swing trader. I'm a short-term trader, right? So daily time frame matters a lot. Now, also with that, this is that simple. This could help you with your targets, right? You could have targeted this. You can see a very explosive price went away from it after you met the target, and that's all because of daily ranges, right? Premium and discount. Now there's a quick little lecture. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Join the Telegram, link down below, and I'll see you guys inside the Telegram. Make sure you guys follow my IG and follow my TT, whatever you guys call it. Peace out.